Welcome to Guaranty RV. Teresa here over in the Seneca Super C aisle. I've got a brand new, to us, 2014 Jayco Seneca on the Freightliner chassis. As you can see, this is a gorgeous unit. 37TS is the floor plan. And as you can see, this is decked out. It's got the full awning to the end of the dining wall. You've got an outside TV and some super large storage. I'll show you more of that when we come outside, but this inside is to die for. Come on in. When you step in, right away you feel the spacious interior, the gorgeous wood-look vinyl floors. Couch and dinette kind of meld together here for a great entertainment system. You've got a beautiful double sink with your covers, a 3-burner propane stove, and behind you here is the TV entertainment center with a hidden mattress. You can pull this drawer out, and in there you've got a mattress, twin-size bed for a young guest. Your couch and your dinette and your love seat will also make into sleeping space for a nice weekend party. When you come this way, you see you've got some great private entertaining space, a 4-door refrigerator, and your pantry, very large storage. And behind the sliding door, you've got this great private guest bathroom, if that's what you'd like it to be. A single sink, and when this opens up, nice big shower room, plenty of elbow room in this Super C. And keeping that bathroom private, you've got this beautiful sliding door into your bedroom with a nice queen-size bed, plenty of storage, and some gorgeous closet space, mirrors, and your television entertainment center. This is a beautiful unit. Guys, come on down and take a look at it. Let's go outside and take a look at what you can store inside this. I'll be right outside. Outside, and as you can see, not unlike a Class A, the storage doors and the size of storage on this Super C are pretty incredible. Some great closet space, side opening slam latch doors, easy to use. Your propane is right up front and handy. Doors close like a dream. Plenty of room for chairs, dinette tables, and extras of all kinds. Access to your roof, backup camera, great safety features. Your outside shower with all the amenities, even a paper towel holder in this guy. 50-amp wind-up cord with a lighted storage bin. More storage. Diff and diesel close at hand at your gas station. Come in, take a look at this beautiful rig. Again, I'm Teresa here at Guaranty RV, and you can reach me at the information below. I look forward to hearing from you soon.